everybody, welcome to Grace Granule, and today in this video I am going to share a very important information, which is bad skincare habits you all are following someday or the other. So this is going to be a very useful video, so without any further delay, let's get started. The best way to keep your skin from getting wrinkled, saggy or tan free is sunscreen. I have seen many people who just ignore sunscreen while going outside in the sun, and if they are using sunscreen, they just don't focus on the SPF. It is quite important to purchase a sunscreen with minimum 30 SPF. When used correctly, sunscreen with SPF between 30 and 50 offers adequate sunburn protection. And you know guys, SPF 30 sunscreen blocks 97% of UVB rays and SPF 50 blocks 98% of UVB rays. So if you doesn't feel to use any product on your skin, sunscreen is the only one product which I will really recommend to you guys. Right now my favorite sunscreen is Lotus Herbal Safe Sun. It is so good and it has SPF 40 and PA+++. Plus you know guys, इस sunscreen की special बात क्या है, this offers 3-in-1 matte look. And yeah guys, this is not a sponsored video at all, these are my honest reviews. And also this sunscreen is suitable for all skin types. So I really love this sunscreen. If you're using any skincare products on your face, never ignore your neck. Skincare doesn't stop at your jawline. You know guys, face and neck are almost always exposed, and yet neck rarely receives the same level of hydration and sun protection as your face. So the fix is very simple. The next time you apply face cream, sunscreen or give yourself an exfoliation treatment, extend everything down to your neck. Dirty makeup brushes can cause much more damage than simple breakouts. When you use the same tool every day on your skin, then dead cells, dirt, pollution and oil can accumulate at one place and can cause harmful bacteria. So it's very important to wash your dirty makeup brushes after a certain period of time. You can simply wash your dirty makeup brushes with mild shampoo. Resting your chin or cheek against a mobile phone can lead to breakouts. Whether or not your phone is sanitized, just leaning your face against it can cause friction and heat, all of which can cause breakout. There are many times that people complain that they are not getting rid of their acne and pimples. This can be the reason behind this. And you know guys, if you are in a habit of talking too much on phone calls, then you can definitely consider headsets or earphones. Regardless of whether or not you wear makeup or suffer from acne, it's very important to wash your face before going to bed. Washing your face helps to clean pores, remove all dust and prevent wrinkles. Unfortunately, despite its benefits, many of us lead such a busy life that we often neglect to wash our faces at the end of the day. But what I will recommend to you guys, just try to wash your face at evening or night for 1 month and then observe your skin after a month. You will yourself definitely see a great difference in your skin. So with this, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And for more beauty tips, do follow my Instagram page. I'll mention the link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching this video.